and it is for Joan Jones, sanctified and righteous. Underprivileged was our blackness until you enacted the pinnacle symbol. Africadia's Angela Davis, elegantly bony Afro goddess of war, Minerva, our Azuri muse, iconic iconoclast, to refuse silence, discs, quislings, obsequious was thy mandate. Rather, Vesuvius, volcanic, cigarettes and eyes ablaze, words smoking in triumphant power plays, appalling all the pallid parliaments, unable to palliate belligerence. That was Bella. That was you, beautiful, encouraging courage, rage, pivotal, sass. That was your style. Such natural chic and buffalo stance, panther rhetoric, loud spunk or spite, yet soulful attitude. Militancy was your beatitude, in strutting stride, but strident your laughter with smoke for halo, spice trailing after, likely curry. Black leather, serious, down to earth in denim, mysterious in mood. Your smile was eloquent even when you frowned, cussed, or yelled. In your heaven, God welcomes pushback, protest, and doesn't mind changing his mind. If debate wasn't there, it'd not be paradise anyway, but boring. And that's not your or God's way.